Hello, my dear kids. Hope you all are safe. Today, we are going to start a new chapter. That is for the second midterm. Primary 5, Chapter 4. Electricity, Part 1. Okay, let's go and see what are the things that we have to learn about electricity. Okay, my dear children, what is electricity? Yes, it is a form of energy. We know in our day-to-day life we have to do lot of work using different types of energies. So, the electricity is another form of energy. My dear kids, what is electricity? It is a form of energy. Electrical appliances use electricity to work. There are many electrical appliances use electricity to work. Okay, what are the examples of electric appliances use electricity? Yes, the television, radio, clock, remote. Those are the sum of examples of electric appliances that can use electricity to work. So, how do these appliances work? They are working because of the flowing of current. So, what is an electric current? It is the flow of particles carrying electrical energy around a circuit. Okay, my dear children, look at the picture very carefully. In the picture, you can see how the particle of electricity which are going around a circuit. So, electricity is a flow of electric particles around a circuit. So, in the red color, it will shows you the electrical particles. I hope all of you can understand about the electric current. What is an electric current? Yes, very good. It is the flow of particles carrying electrical energy around a circuit. Okay, when we are making an electric circuit, there are main components that we have to use to make a simple electric circuit. In that picture, what you can see, my dear children? Yes, those are the main components that we have to use to make a simple circuit. A simple electric circuit can have a battery, a wire, a light bulb and a switch. What are the main components of a simple electric circuit? Yes, a battery, a wire, a light bulb and a switch. See, you can see the picture how these components are connected with each other to make a simple circuit. So these parts are connected together to form an electric circuit. A simple circuit has a battery, a wire, a light bulb and a switch. Okay, let's go and see what are the functions of these components. Okay, my dear children, now we are going to learn about what are the components of the circuit and their uses. We know each and every circuit there is a battery. Why do we use a battery? Yes, the battery is the energy source in the circuit. Each and every battery, it has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. The battery can supply the energy to flow the electric current around the circuit. Then the next component is the wire. The wire can use to connect the components together. Without a wire, it's very difficult to connect all the other components of the circuit. Then each and every electric circuit, we can see the light bulbs. Why do we use a light bulb? Yes, the light bulb can use to check whether the electric current flow or not through the circuit. When the light bulb lights up, it tells the electric current flow through the circuit. So, we can use a light bulb to check whether the circuit can flow the current through it. The next component is a switch. A switch can use to open and close a circuit. When the switch is closed, the electric current can flow. What happens when the switch is open? Yes, very good. When the switch is open, the electric current stops flowing. So, we can use switch to open and close a circuit. My dear children, when we are drawing a circuit diagram, we have to use the symbols for those components. Symbols are used to represent the parts or the components that make up a circuit. After you learn about the symbols of the components, you can use these symbols to draw a circuit diagram. Then it is very easy to draw your circuit diagram. Here, can you see what are the symbols of the circuit? Look at those symbols very carefully. Each and every component, it has a symbol. So, the symbols are used in a circuit diagram. When we are drawing a circuit diagram, we have to use these symbols. Now we are coming to learn about the type of the circuits. I hope now all of you can understand how to use the symbols to draw a circuit diagram. Now, in the two pictures, you can see the circuit diagrams which are drawn by the use of symbols. Okay, my dear kids, what are the types of circuits? There are many types of circuits. First one is the open circuit. A circuit with a gap is called an open circuit. What is an open circuit? Yes, it is a circuit with a gap is called an open circuit? Look at the picture very carefully. It shows you there is a gap in the circuit. Where you can find the gap? Yes, very good. We can see the switch is open. So, there is a gap in this circuit. Therefore, the electric particles cannot flow around the circuit. This is not a complete circuit. Then tell me, can the current flow through this circuit? No, the current cannot flow through the open circuit. So, what is an open circuit? A circuit with a gap is called an open circuit. Electric current will not flow through the open circuit. The next type of a circuit is closed circuit. What is a closed circuit? Yes, a closed circuit is a circuit with a complete path. What is a closed circuit? A circuit with a complete path is called a closed circuit. Look at the second picture very carefully. Can you see any gap in the circuit? No. We can see in that picture the switch closed. That means this is a complete circuit. So, through this complete circuit, the electric current can flow. So, in a complete circuit or a closed circuit, electric current can flow through it. What is a closed circuit? A circuit with a complete path is called a closed circuit. Electric current can flow through the closed circuit. Okay, my dear children, there are another types of circuits. One is the series circuit and the other one is the parallel circuit. What is a series circuit? Yes, it is a circuit which has only one path for electricity to flow. Look at the picture very carefully. Yes, you can see the components are connected one after another in this circuit. So, there is only one path for electricity to flow. This type of a circuit is called a series circuit. What is a series circuit? It is a circuit which has only one path for electricity to flow. What is the next type of a circuit? Yes, that is the parallel circuit. A parallel circuit is a circuit which has more than one path for electricity to flow. Look at the picture again very carefully. So, in the second picture, you can see there are two paths to flow the electricity. A parallel circuit has more than one path for electricity to flow. Okay, my dear children. Now, what are the types of circuits? Yes, open circuit, closed circuit, series circuit, and a parallel circuit. What is an open circuit? Yes, it is a circuit with a gap. Then, what is a closed circuit? Very good. A A closed circuit is a circuit with a complete path. Then we have learned what is a series circuit and a parallel circuit. A series circuit is a circuit which has only one path for electricity to flow. In a parallel circuit, there are more than one path for electricity to flow. I hope all of you can understand what are the types of circuits. A light bulb. Have you seen a light bulb at your home? In this picture, it shows you a filament bulb. What is this? It is a filament bulb. In a filament bulb, we can see there are four main parts. There is a glass casing, metal casing, metal tip, and the filament. An electric current passing through the filament heats up until it glows white hot and glows if light. So my dear children, when the electric current passing through the filament, yes, it gives the light. The filament is made from a metal called tungsten. It has a very high melting point and it will not melt easily. So, we can use tungsten to make the filament. A light bulb is made up of a metal tip, a metal casing, a glass casing, and a filament. I hope now all of you can understand what are the parts of a light bulb. Then my dear children, we will meet on our next video very soon. Thank you very much for joining. Have a nice day to all of you.